fix all desktop icons disappeared after Windows 10 update. So if you want to fix all desktop icons disappeared after Windows 11 or 10 update, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for Registry Editor. Click on yes, and from the Registry Editor you need to go with the view section and make sure that you've selected address bar. Make sure that it is ticked, and after you've ticked the address bar here on the top you will have your address bar, right? So you need to remove this and you need to paste the address that is in the description below. After that, you can hit the enter and it will take you to the exact address, which is window. And here on the right side, you will have this kind of interface. And here you need to go with an option of icon spacing, and under icon spacing make sure that you have -1128. So in my case I don't have any problem with the desktop icons, but if you have any problem then your number might be changed. So you just need simply double click on this one, or just simply go with icon spacing, right click on it, go with modify, and here you need to go with value data and you need to enter -1128. In the same way, you need to go with the other option, which is icon vertical spacing, and under that also you need to go with the same value data. After entering the value data correctly, you need to just go back and then remove, restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.